Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install IPA Files on your iPhone or iPad without a computer. Without jailbreak and using the latest certificate, I've updated the new certificate, and it's exclusive only from the AppleJr Channel and just for all of you who keep supporting the community. Okay, let's dive into it. First, open Safari and go to AppleJr website, or click the link in the video description below. I've updated all the links on this website, so you'll always find the latest working certificates for Scarlet, ESign, and Sign right there. But before using any of them, you need to install the AppleJr DNS. First, this helps protect your apps from being revoked. Just tap the Install button, then tap Allow. Next, open Settings. Hit Profile Downloaded, and tap Install again. Once done, your DNS profile is ready, and you can safely use the new certificate without worrying about revokes. Now, go back to the AppleJr site and choose which app you want to use. You can now install ESign. Sign and event Scarlet without getting revoked. In this case, I want to install all of them to make sure it's working. Tap Install, confirm the pop-up, and wait for it to appear on your home screen. When you first open the app, you might see the message Untrusted Developer. That's normal. Just go to Settings. Hit General, VPN and Device Management. Find the developer name, tap Trust, and restart. After that, restart your iPhone or iPad, then open the app again. Now it's fully verified and ready to go. Before using it, you have to download the new certificate file first. Open AppleJr website. Go to Tab Certificate and download the certificate. For example, let's say I want to use ESign and test how to import a certificate and install an IPA file. First, open the ESign app on your iPhone. Click three dots on the right corner and click Import. Simply import the certificate that you downloaded earlier. Then unzip the certificate and click P12 file extension of the certificate. Import certificate and insert the password, that is AppleJr.net. Once it's successfully imported, your ESign is now ready to sign and install IPA Files. Now, let's try to install an IPA file as an example. In this case, I'll use Delta Executor, and select your Delta Executor IPA file. After importing, go to the Apps tab, tap the app icon, select Signature, and finally tap Install. Wait for a few moments and you'll see the app installed on your home screen. That's it. The IPA file has been successfully installed using new certificate from AppleJr. And that's it. Now you can install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a PC, without jailbreak, and using the latest AppleJr certificate for Scarlet, ESign, or Sign.